guys, my name is Namish and today we are going to talk about the best cats to keep in India.
The first cat we are talking about is Bombay cat.
These unique cats can make an ideal pet. Mumbai cats are friendly in nature. They are eager to play and learn new tricks. They can easily adapt to different lifestyles and environments. They have a calm demeanor and can also be trained to walk on a leash.
In number 2, we are talking about Himalayan cats.
Himalayan cats are one of the most common cat breeds. Himalayan cats are very loyal and loving. They crave for human companionship. They prefer to rest in their owner's lap rather than playing around. Himalayan cats are not very athletic.
In number 3, we are talking about Siamese cat.
If you wish for an all-day companion, a Siamese cat can be perfect for you. It is one of the most common Asian breeds. Siamese can be extremely curious, smart and demanding. They desire a great deal of attention. They can talk for hours expressing an opinion on everything possible.
In number 4, we will talk about Persian cats.
This glamorous breed of cats is also called Persian long hair. These cats are laid back and lazy. They are not most happy relaxing. However, they are prone to biting, which they consider as play. They long for attention and can act like a little fussy.
In number 5, we are talking about Maine Coon.
It is one of the oldest breeds of cats on earth. They are good-natured, adaptable, they are friendly, outgoing and well-behaved. Maine Coon cats are fond of human company and like following them around. They are lap cats and have good hunting skills.
If you like the video,
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
and we love our cats.